I'm on a bit of a weight loss kick right now. And eat 1,700 calories. Skills that they learn is whatever your emotion is saying in that moment, you kind of act in the opposite of it. Hello and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. We're going to do just a quick, simple gym workout. In my mind, I was telling myself one of my favorite lies. And we all got a favorite lie. And if you say you don't have a favorite lie, that may be your lie. Okay? But my favorite lie that I tell myself, which is also like a limiting belief, is that I don't have enough time. And so when I tell myself I don't have enough time, I'm bargaining with myself back and forth saying how I don't have enough time, and then I'm losing even more time and I could have been doing the thing. With me knowing that about myself, I look at every situation where I'm saying I don't have enough time, and I really consider, is it that you don't have enough time or you really don't want to do it? And a lot of times is that I don't want to do the thing, or I don't want to feel rushed doing the thing. I should still do the thing because it's the reason that I said I was going to do it. And today it was the gym. So when I was getting ready for the gym, I ended up having a responsibility that I had to do before going to the gym. So it kind of popped up and I was like, well, I'll just do a home workout. So I did what I had to do, and then my boyfriend was like, okay, I'll see you when you get back. And I was like, where I'm going? He said, I thought you was going to the gym. And so I look at the clock and I was like, I technically still have time to go to the gym. So here I am at the gym. Wonder today, what is y'all limiting belief or your favorite lie that you tell yourself? If you can think of it and you want to share, leave it down below. So my biggest one is that I don't have time. And then the other one that I have is more so just about who cares, is not really important. And that's the other thing that I ask myself a lot, like nothing that I do is really super important. And then my favorite thing that I say after this, because we're gonna die. It's true that we're gonna die, but that don't mean that why we live and the stuff we do is not important. So I be having all this swirling around in my head, and I had all this swirling around in my head as I'm at the gym in the parking lot today. And the other thing that I was saying was that I was gonna have time to record, but I packed this camera and I pulled it out because we have time. For those of you who may be new here, who wasn't here last week or didn't watch the video from last week, I'm on a bit of a weight loss kick right now. And so my goal workout wise is 2 gym days a week, 3 days at hot yoga, cardio or some kind of walking every day, and 1,700 calories, and logging it in MyFitnessPal. Oh, excuse me. And then stop eating around 10. Simple, but not always easy. That's what we'll be doing up here on this channel. Vas a hacer ejercicio hoy? Are you going to exercise today? Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? These curls need some refreshing. Let's get out of here. I'm wasting. Look at me wasting the time that I found. All right, so we in. I think we're going to do 3 heavy lifts, and then we'll see where we are at after that. It is officially 1 o'clock. I want to be out of this gym no later than 2. I'm really thinking the workout should be about 45 minutes. 4 to 6 exercises, 3 to 4 rounds, 8 to 10 reps, or 8 to 12 reps. That's gonna be the plan.
Got it going, yeah, it's going up. Said I get it going, now it's going up. Know that you ain't going, unless you one of us. Why the fuck you think? Shit be going up, sipping on the, now I'm going up. Feel like I just blink, and we going up. Pray that they don't think that they going up. Don't say you was down when I'm going up. Waiting on the timing on my move.
Okay, so one thing about the gym is it's a lot of the same movements over and over and over again. So I know like a lot of my videos, when I kind of look back through them, like I'm always doing the same, like a leg press, squat, split lunges, just kind of like lunges with dumbbells, kind of just like the same variations. And then the goal is to always like progressively get heavier with the weight and or increase the reps. So with me not being as consistent in the gym as I once was, like a lot of my progress like with lifting heavier weight has regressed. So I'm back to lifting lighter weights, included on this leg press. We're gonna try to get it back up at least to, I'm pretty sure I could press 180 today. Right now it's 90. If you ever see me doing like the same thing over and over and over in the gym, it's like that's what you want it to be. The gym is supposed to be repetitive and boring in the workouts. which doesn't sound enticing, but if you enjoy going to the gym, then you enjoy seeing the weights go up. Like the stronger you get, you enjoy seeing that versus like varying the workout a whole lot. This done, I can't breathe. We're gonna have to work on this because I promise I feel conditioned a lot of the time, but then I get in here and start lifting weights and I ain't conditioned.
This a long road, why you tripping about the mileage? I be hands on it, tapping out with a stylist. Sip too much whiskey, need some balance. Breaking habits, I be working while I'm chilling. Share the same ceiling, but you not the one building. All the talk, this ain't appealing. Talking like a witness, what the fuck is you gon' say when we gone make a killing? Motherfucker, ain't no mix up. I just carry weight like a Benz truck. I just stay awake till the sun's up. Mixing Gatorade with some clear stuff.
I know that I am doing quads on this leg machine because my feet are low. So when they're low like this on the play part, is more Sakal work. If your feet were up like this or higher up, it'll be mostly hamstring work.
Used to know the date, now I just wake up. This the type of shit that I can make up. Mr. OG with some jacket, now you thought you knew me. Put me on my back, get back to punching, now I'm snoozing, back to fooling. When I get back, you faggots back to losing. I said I knew it way back and then I went and got it going. Yeah, it's going up. Said I get it going. Now it's going up.
For reference, this is a 45-pound bar. I don't know why I'm adding weight to it. Trying to do shoulder press, knowing my shoulders don't like all that weight. But in my mind, I should be able to do it. And I'm humble after rep 5 or 6. So I did 10, then I dropped it down to 5, and now I realized I just don't need no weight. The 45-pound bar by itself is just fine. Okay, let's do some work.
Should be going up, sipping on the. Now I'm going up, feel like I just blink. And we going up, pray that they don't think that they going up. Don't say you was down when I'm going up.
Basically, we did 2 heavy lifts and then a little bit of arm, and we're gonna finish off with a circuit. Yeah, we ain't burning enough calories. So we're gonna get my heart rate up a bit. And we've been listening to soft rock. That's not gonna get me through this. So let's find some new music inspiration and take it on out of here. Let's see what I want to listen to.
Yeah, they see it every time. The magic makes them wanna lose their mind. They wanna touch it, but it's not time. You see my halo shining, baby, I'm divine. Don't pass go, let it flow. Can try to beat it, I'm sure you fall. You can challenge, but this goodies wanna go. Just one question, are you sure you can handle everything you're asking for? It's getting hot and heavy, getting hot and heavy. Yeah. Tell me that you're ready, tell me that you're ready. Know you wanna get it, know you wanna get it. Know you won't forget it, know you won't forget it. It's getting hot and heavy, getting hot and heavy. Tell me that you're ready, tell me that you're ready. Know you wanna get it, know you wanna get it. Know you won't forget it, know you won't forget it. Got a chance, so don't you waste it. So close to the finale, you can taste it. Got you at first glance, you can't erase it. Rock it through your mind, you're on a spaceship. Don't pass.
Okay, cuties, that was the end of the workout. It was short and efficient. Have I had better workouts? Yes. But did I also get this workout done? Yes. And let me update y'all. So I try to weigh myself every Thursday, and I have lost, I think, like 3 pounds. I put it over here. I'm keeping track of it in MyFitnessPal, so I can see it a little bit in my body, like the weight loss. The only thing is, this going into this week, I'm expecting my little friend, so I don't know if Thursday weigh-in is gonna be correct or not, but I have been eating the right amount of calories all last week, so I should have a weight drop this Thursday if I'm not like retaining water weight or some other crazy kind of thing like that. So I'm excited to see this Thursday coming. And eating 1,700 calories haven't been as hard as I thought it would be. It has actually been like full of like tasty, like really quick foods, and I haven't been really wanting to go over. Like anytime I've had a snack, I think I had some protein ice cream one day, and I've had a Popeyes biscuit. I feel like I had maybe something else I might have had one more other thing, but it all fit within my calories. I made sure like throughout the day, like if I did eat something like that, then on the back end, I had to be doing something to make sure I stay within my 1700 calorie range. So I've been able to do that all last week. I'm going to be able to do that all this week. So I should start seeing some weight dropping pretty soon. Let me know how y'all are doing. If y'all chimed in on the last video about any goals or kind of weight loss, weight gain, routines that y'all been trying to create going into this fall season. We can do it. We can do it even if we don't feel like it. So one of the things I talked about in the past was, I can't even think of the word for it, but it's like where you don't let your emotions or your lack of motivation stop you from doing a thing. Because really you don't need motivation to do a thing. You just literally have to do the thing, and you can do it even when you don't want to. So I can't think of the word right now at this exact moment, but if I could think of it, I'll put it right here. So the other thing that you can also do is opposition. It's called oppositional action, I believe. Emotional oppositional action is something like that. That's kind of a thing that people use with people who are borderline personality disorder. It's one of their kind of skills that they learn is whatever your emotion is saying in that moment, you kind of act in the opposite of it. So in this particular case, if the emotion is lack of motivation or depression or something like one of those things that's keeping you from doing the thing that you want to do. So if it's keeping you from doing the thing that you want to do, then you actively do something that's in opposition to that emotion. So if the emotion that you feel is lack of motivation to go to the gym, the exact opposite action of that is to go to the gym, and then usually the emotion will follow the action. So making like behavioral based changes. That kind of sound more like what it is behavioral based changes. So not letting like your cognitive, your thought, or your thinking process or your emotions lead it, but your behavior. And then usually like the thoughts and maybe the emotions will follow the behavior. But even if it don't, at the end of the day, the behavior or the goal that you want to get done is done. So I'll leave that with you guys today. Today was a good day. It turned out to be really, really good, like overall. Even though I didn't share like my morning, which I had a really good morning. I saw my babies this morning. I saw all three of my babies this morning. Two of my nephews, one of my nieces, and it was a good morning with them as well. So now I just have to go spread out this joy and goodness at work, keep this high energy at work today, and I will see you guys next time. Until then.